This is one of the challenges that we face, is getting to the affected area. Today we're in the attic. Alright, I finally reached my affected area of the roof so I can get my readings. Alright, over here, this is our affected area right here. That's the corner where the flashing was, the ice damming was built up, and the water just pretty much ran down the wood here. We're going to do a surface reading, make sure we're drying up. Alright. I am getting 11.2, which is underneath our 16% industry standard. I'm going to get into the soffit area here. Take a reading of the soffit, which I'm getting 10.2, which is well under our 16%. Our temperature inside our contained area was 74 degrees. So with our surface readings, we're dry. As soon as I open up the contained area, we'll use the penetrating meter as well. Alright, we are done in the attic area. Okay. Well, there's two things. One, we're trying to control the environment for drying. We want to bring the humidity down, and we need heat. We want to bring the heat up. Heat is very important in drying. So when I say the environment, I would like to see the heat above 68 degrees, and we'd like to try to get the humidity down to at least 20%, and that's a good environment for drying. When I say the percentages, it's a moisture percentage, 100% being wet, 1 being drier. So what we try to do is, the industry standard is below 16% is dry. Anything above 16%, you have a chance of bacteria, mold growth, things of that nature growing, and bacteria. So we try to get it below 16%, and as far as our readings go, we're well below that, so we're satisfied that it's dry.